It was a Tuesday morning and I was drowning in a sea of invoices and email. My small business was thriving, which was great, but I felt like I was one missed deadline away from chaos. That's when I realized I did not need to work harder. I needed smarter tools. And today I am going to share 5 game-changing software solutions that every small business owner should have in their toolkit. The first software that I want to mention is the accounting software known as the QuickBooks. And let me tell you that it was like hiring a personal accountant. Whether it's tracking expenses, creating invoices, or generating the tax reports, tools like QuickBooks make managing finances so much easier. And you know what's the best part? You don't need a finance degree to use them. They are very simple to use. At number 2 was a project management tool known as Trello. Picture this, you have got deadlines, team members and clients requests flying at you from every direction. That's where tools like Trello comes in. I started using the Trello to organize tasks into boards and suddenly everything felt manageable. Assign tasks, set deadlines and keep your team on the same page all in one place. Seeing my tasks laid out visually made it easier to prioritize and breathe. Plus, the satisfying drag and drop motion was oddly satisfying. The next one is a communication tool. If you have ever lost an important email thread or missed a message from your team, you would love Slack. I set up Slack channels for different projects, which instantly reduces my inbox clutter. Plus, the real-time communication kept my team aligned even when we were working remotely. No more digging through the emails to find that one crucial update. At number 4 is a CRM software. I used to keep my clients' info scattered across spreadsheets and sticky notes, which was a big mistake. With softwares like Zoho, I now track every client interaction in one place. From follow-up emails to tracking sales leads, a CRM ensures no client slips through the cracks. It's like having a memory boost for your business relationship. Finally, a social media management tool. When I started using tools like Buffer, scheduling posts across the platform became so much easier. I could plan a week's worth of content in one sitting and track engagement metrics to see what worked. It's like having a marketing assistant without a salary. So there you have it. All these tools has made my online business easier. So which one you are trying first? Do let me know in the comment section below. Thank you.